visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Say what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Bumunot tayo ng at least 2 card, the Death card, and the Knight of Charisma. Sabihin natin may challenges itong relationship na ito. Nagkaroon ng discussions, nagkaroon ng pauses, no? Either cool off or separation. Pero kasi, parang, okay, nagkabalikan nga tayo, pero bakit parang hindi tayo nag-move? Nagkabalikan lang tayo sa salita, pero hindi natin naibalik yung dati nating pagsasama. Parang nandoon pa rin yung distansya. Nandoon pa rin yung pagkakaroon ng awkwardness. Nandoon pa rin yung loss of communication. Nandoon pa din yung nawawala yung mga sabihin nating hinahanap ko, yung dating lambing, yung init. Even the smallest thing, no, yung care, yung understanding, no? Bakit pakiramdam ko meron lang ditong parang may umuo lang for the sake of just saying yes, nagkabalikan tayo. Pero sa totoo naman, parang wala, no? Bakit parang sa totoo naman is feeling ko nga napilitan, no? Yun yung ating nagiging perception. Either the perception is yours or it can be your person. You can switch the energies. This is general reading, okay? Pwedeng si person mo ang nakaka-experience nito, pwedeng ikaw. So, what I'm reading is the dynamic, the Hangman. Well, that makes sense. The Hangman, parang nakalutang lang ako dito. Am I a wallflower to you? Parang yun yung iniisip natin. Are you going to put an effort in this connection? Are you going to exceed what is your, kumbaga, what you're showing in this connection? Because for me, it seems like the status na lang, no? Parang naging status na lang ang naging connection natin sa ngayon. The Ace of Charisma. See, ibang-iba yung itong positioning ng card na ito is the past. The past was very generous, was very parang reciprocative. Meron talagang nangyayari, may happenings, may event, merong banters of emotion. So what happened? Are we falling out of love, or does our person fell out of love in this connection? The Moon card. That makes sense because this is the headspace. There is a lot of things that is parang medyo aligned na yung head and heart natin. However, in a negative way, because our headspace has a lot of questions. And napoprove pa yon ng heart natin kasi ang nararamdaman natin, yun nga, stagnation, no? Let's clarify the Hangman with the Star and the King of Charisma. So you're questioning, oh, where is that person? Where is that person who gives me a lot of um, generosities with the time, energy, effort, probably even with the finances or gifts? But I am not into material things. Pero, syempre, naiisip ko rin yun. Pero nasaan? No? Yung pagbibigay ng time. Even the communication, parang feeling ko meron laging excuses. No? The moon card is clarified with the two of charisma and the seven of charisma. So, in our headspace, kahit marami tayong tanong, kahit maraming, kunyari, bothersome, no, na naiisip natin, we might probably jump into the rabbit hole of asking a lot of questions. Pero kasi with the two of charisma, kahit medyo naiisip natin, this might be a losing end, but I am staying. I'm hoping, praying, wishing, crossing my fingers that someday things are going to change differently with the ten of wisdom. So, ang laki naman ng jump from ang galing aligned, baka naman hindi lang natin na-appreciate si person. Kasi the eight of strength and the queen of, communication is really the key in this dynamic. Kasi kung, para kasi ang nangyayari dito, habang hindi mo sinasabi, parang okay lang kay person. Well, that makes sense. Kasi kung tao ka, meron ka mga ginagawa everyday na parang okay lang kasi yung nakakatanggap naman ng energy is not even complaining. So, pwedeng subconscious, hindi ko namamalayan na nagbabago na pala ako. But since I'm not hearing anything from the person, I think that that is okay because no one's reminding me that I changed, no? So, I feel like communication is really the key here because someone needs to open up. With the queen of strength, huwag tayong mahiya na mag-open kay person, no? Kasi yung mga needs natin, pwede nating sabihin yan in a nice way, not in a very demanding, aggressive way. Siguro isa din yon. Baka kasi ayaw lang din gawin talaga ni person because they felt like, minamandohan mo ba ako, blah, blah, yada, yada. So, ang daming factors dito na pwede nating masabi it's not about the word. No? It's how it comes across. So, yeah, this is your reading. Pero bago natin tignan ang zodiac sign ni person, syempre, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo po'y may mga katanungan sa website kay Dumiretso, I'm sorry pero hindi ko sinasagot yung direktang email. Tapos yung tanong is about sa website. Sa website, kung ang tanong ninyo kung paano makapagpa-reading nandoon, no? Whether that is an email question, personal question. So, yeah, sa website kayo dumiretso. There is a link. Click the link sa description box ng video na ito. I-route naman kayo sa website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun po lahat sa website. So, hindi na ako sumasagot ng inquiries dahil nasa website naman. Yung inquiries na how much po, paano po magpa-reading, lagi ko naman sinasabi. No? So, parang it's a waste of time for me. Sinasabi ko ito, tapos uulitin ko. No? Marami tayong ginagawa. So let's check now the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Capricorn, Leo. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces. I'm seeing Virgo. Pisces is dominant. Scorpio is here. Cancer is here. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.